How to whiten teeth in Picsart. Here's how to brighten your smile using the teeth whitening tool in Picsart. First, upload your portrait in the editor and go to the Retouch panel from the left sidebar. Click on Whiten and zoom in on the smile area for better control. Use the brush to paint over the teeth. Don't worry, the tool targets yellow tones without making the gums too white. Adjust the intensity if needed, and then hit apply once you are happy with the result. Do you think subtle whitening makes a difference? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Be careful not to overdo it. Aim for natural brightness rather than pure white. And that's how you can whiten teeth in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.